Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an after dark cleaning motivation, and the time is currently, I believe, 9:30 p.m. The kids were supposed to be in bed, but for some reason they did not want to go to bed, so you will be seeing one or two of them in this video. So yeah, I'm gonna be cleaning this house up before we go to bed.
Doesn't matter how far, there is so much love to give. Something's telling me this time, baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give.
If you are new here, welcome. To my returning subscribers, you're welcome back. I really appreciate you guys for always clicking on my videos to watch them. Thank you so much. On this channel, you will find motivational cleaning videos, decorating videos, and some DIYs, as well as some a little bit of mom life. So yeah, if this is something that you like, then click that red button down below and make sure your bell is on so you don't miss any of my future uploads. So let's get into this cleaning tonight.
I guess the house can lie, and it feels so.
I'm just gonna start off by picking up stuff and wiping stuff down. And this little one is so sleepy, that's why she's following me around the house. I didn't want to put her on my back tonight, I was tired. So yeah, I'm just cleaning up some stains that was on the couch, the tabletop, and just wiping surfaces down. That's all I'm doing, not very much.
You came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. Don't worry of tomorrow. For now, you're everything in my day. I love the way you like a song, you know my heart. Cause you know me, know my heart. You're everything in my day. I love the way you know my heart. Yeah, alright. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. I can let you know that you're my boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. I will love you every day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. Do you wanna know?
Then I'm gonna follow up with the vacuum, just to vacuum the carpet, and that's about it.
Because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart. Doesn't matter how far.
These cup holders do get dirty quickly and easily, and the baby pours juice in it sometimes, so I'm just wiping it down and some other stains on the couch.
So much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you.
I did wash the pillow cover, so here I'm just putting them back on the pillows.
Alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. It's you and me on this beautiful day, and it's smiling, holding on to you tight. I guess our hearts cannot lie, and it feels so bright. It's like your love has gotten to me. Go and follow your heart. Doesn't matter how far. I can see it now, it's deep in your eyes. No way to define what we feel inside. Baby, baby,
Now the living room is done, man. I'm gonna move over to the kitchen to get the kitchen cleaned out.
I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. Don't worry of tomorrow. For now, you're everything in my day. I love the way you like a song, you know my heart. Cause you know me, know my heart. You're everything in my day. I love the way you know my heart. Yeah, alright. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. I can let you know that you're my boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. I will love you every day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. Do you wanna know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think I'll have to listen. Because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains.
I don't know if anybody noticed any changes on my kitchen cabinets. Yeah, I decided to paint them white. I didn't give it to a professional to do, so in case you see any flaws in them, it wasn't done by a professional. I didn't like the outcome, but I can manage this until my husband gets back from deployment and we can paint this kitchen again. But I was supposed to finish the doorknobs, the cabinet doorknobs and the handles with a different color of paint, and I just didn't have the time to get to it yet. So you will see a little bit of half paint on the knobs and the handles. Yeah, it's just because I haven't gotten to it yet.
You came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again.
Here I'm just loading the dishwasher up. Then I'm going to follow up with cleaning the sink out, sweeping and mopping, and just wiping the countertop down.
All day, as long as you're in my arms, boy. Don't worry of tomorrow. For now, you're everything in my day. I love the way you like a song, you know my heart. Cause you know me, know my heart. You're everything in my day. I love the way you know my heart. Yeah, alright. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. I can let you know that you're my boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. I will love you every day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. Do you wanna know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think I have to listen. Because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day.
This part right here is my favorite part of cleaning the kitchen. I just love washing the sink. I don't know why, I just enjoy doing it. And I like watching people do it as well. I don't know why, but I think it's kind of relaxing. I don't know, I guess.
And it's smiling, holding on to you tight. I guess our hearts cannot lie. And it feels so bright, it's like your love has gotten to me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. I can see it now, it's deep in your eyes. No way to define what we feel inside. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one who showed me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. Don't worry of tomorrow, for now you're everything in my day. I love the way you like a song, you know my heart. Cause you know me, know my heart. You're everything in my day. I love the way you know my heart. Yeah, alright. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. I can let you know that you're my boy. The one who showed me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains, I will love you every day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one who showed me if we're together.
This spot right here, the baby wrote on the floor with some crayons. And I was so happy because I was able to get it off with just a mop. So yeah, it was crayon marks. The baby does a lot of things that sometimes I just don't know what to do with her. So yeah, I'm just mopping the floor up here.
I've been thinking about you, and I think I have to listen. Because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew.
And I am done cleaning for the night. And let me say something real quick. If you are familiar with my kitchen dining table, you will know that I used to have 2 glass jars in this box right here. The baby broke one of them, and which has been my fear all along. Well, she broke it, and I just don't want to buy another one, so I just used some pumpkins from the Dollar Tree to fix it up. I think it looks cute. So yeah, this is gonna be the end of this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Thank you for sticking around with me. And if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to do so, and make sure your bell is on so you don't miss any of my future uploads. Okay, I'm gonna see you in my next one. Thank you and bye bye.
No way to define what we feel inside. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go.